Hey, Willis Talk. I have brought you today a beautiful 1937 Chevy with suicide doors, original gauges, upholstery. It has been loved and cared for. So great. You got your old wonderful shapes of windows, curves and sleek design. Your white wall tires that came in many different widths, beautifully matched set. And then finally the face of any old car saying, "Hello, how are you doing?" Imagine taking this down to the beach or some other wonderful vacation during its heyday, or even still nowadays occasionally. It is truly a beaut, and thank you to the person that shared this with not just me, but with all of you, the community and the world. Have a wonderful day. Like and subscribe below. Leave your comments of anything else that you might have similar to this, or any other wonders that you want to share. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.